surface casing section. Let's say we might actually have a shallow water gas whatever here. This one. So when we drill, we need if we this shallow water, shallow gas kick in, you go into the wells, right? So whatever when we drill with the wellhead here, as it is wellhead, then on top of the wellhead we have the diverter. So whatever come out here, we cannot actually shut in. Why we cannot shut in? Because when you shut in this one, the screw will break, especially the surface casing section. Typically the pressure there is pore pressure there is weak. The fracture gradient there is weak, so it will fracture. So diverter, what diverter do is it's just divert. So what happens is they have it's not real ram, but there are some segment, piece of equipment that once it's closed, then the flow will go straight to here. That's why diverter objective is only to divert the flow, so you don't fracture your shoe here. And then when you divert, you need to handle huge gas because it's shallow water, shallow gas. So you need to handle that. So if according to FPI 53, you will see some requirement there. Diverter line need to be at like 8 inch or 10 inch, depends onshore or offshore and so what they do is when you hit, you see a gas, then you function your diverter, so it will close, so everything will not go to the rig flow. Let's say this is a rig flow. You don't want anything come to here because we have personnel here working on that. And once it hit here, it's uncontrollable. So what we do is we just divert here at the main deck. So this is typically the main deck. So BOP wise is different. So BOP is where they have ram. So let's say this is really the wellhead. So you have 3 or 4 ram, whatever based on that. So that's what you actually close against the ram. You already shut in the doors. So you have a 5 ram, you have 9 shell ram. I can't remember variable is variable part. So part ram is really a fixed ram. It close against a 5.5 drill part or 5 inch drill part. It will only go to that size. But variable is where they provide some variables. On top of the BOP, they also normally have this annular. So annular is where they have, it's not a ram, which is from 2 sides. Annular is a sphere that kind of design. So it can actually ram with, it can close against whatever size, but it's not for high pressure. And that mechanism doesn't work like really zero leak proof. So it might actually still leak a little bit. Okay. So that's what the difference between diverter and BOP. So just now we understand about the sequence when we drill a wells using a wellhead and then complete with drill. When we drill, we always associate with this diverter or BOP. And then we talk about rig. This rig having what size of BOP, what size of diverter. Let's say 29.5 diverter. This is quite really standard. And then we talk about either is 13.58 BOP or 18 3/4 BOP. And then the pressure rating will go, let's say 10K or 15K. So that's all the associated things actually a drilling engineer is supposed to plan ahead with all the rig. Okay. Any questions? No questions. Can I give Chris?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, I think this is really just a quick quiz lah. So what I meant for quick quiz is, I suppose you really give it when you guys come in with doing other things. So let's take a 10 minutes break. You don't need to submit this one, but this is a questionnaire that for me thinking, and then now you have all the PDF. You want to break, but later during the course you still can continue to up. Some topic is not covered, you still can leave it later. Okay. Okay, you guys still feel sleepy or still want to massage a bit?
Sure.